Playbook football 5-box break. Pick your team number 3. Here are your teams. Good luck. Good luck. Yeah. They might have changed it. The way they do that. They're so weird. eBay was acting up yesterday too. And eBay didn't even acknowledge it. They didn't even like release a statement about it or anything. They were down for like 2 hours. Glad we didn't have any eBay auctions ending yesterday. Would have been SOL. Box 1 to 199 for the Ravens. Going out to Harry. We got Joe Flacco and Steve Smith Sr. To 199. Believe 49ers. Yep, 49ers. Torrey Smith. Jersey autograph to 49. Signed by 49ers on 3/1/15. So that goes out to David H. Big Boys. And 19 out of 49 for the Vikings. I always feel like it opens this way, but it opens this way this year. Stephon Diggs. Nice one for the Vikings. Can't believe this guy was a 5th round pick. He's acting like a 1st rounder this year. Going out to Conrad. 19 out of 49. Box 2. We got numbered to 299, Steve Young, Jerry Rice. For the 49ers. Going out to David H. Big Boys. 007. Jay Ajayi for the Dolphins, number 25. Wow. Nice patches in there. 4-color. Patch autograph. Miami Dolphins hit. Going out to Robert S. Nice hit. 17 to 25. We got for the Rams, number to 10. Whoa, wow. Sean Mannion. Logo patch. That is sick. For the St. Louis Rams. Check that out. It's got patch coming out of the freaking window. Rams hit going out to Ryan F. Nice hit, man. 2 out of 10. That is sick. Put that one right there. Box 3. Magic House. Todd Gurley. Man. Still nice hit. Packs with 2 booklets in them seem to be really loaded. It's like last year. Couldn't auto that one. $2.99. Aaron Rodgers, Jordy Nelson for the Packers. Going out to Benny. We got Chris Conley, number to 49 for the Chiefs. Nice 3-color. Patch rookie autograph. Kansas City Chiefs it going out to Lloyd. 34 out of 49. We got Sean Mannion, number to 199 for the Rams. Another one going out to Ryan F. Box 4. Yeah. PayPal's not the best functioning website ever. Ooh, that's nice. To 299, Kurt Warner, Marshall Faulk for the Rams. Ryan F. Second one of these we fit. Triple threat, triple patch for the Vikings. Very nice. Teddy Bridgewater, Stephon Diggs, and Cordell Patterson. Cordero Patterson for the Vikings. We're out to Conrad. 19 out of 50. And 15 out of 25, Chris Conley for the Chiefs. Another hit going out to Lloyd. 15 to 25. Final box of this first case. Good luck. That's nice, man. Crunch this one. $2.99. Matt Forte and Alshon Jeffrey for the Bears. Going out to Mark. We got Todd Gurley. 4 out of 10. 3-color draft edition patch for the Rams. Very nice hit going out to Ryan F. That is nice. Man, Rams crushed this one. Absolutely crushed it. 4 out of 10. And we got for the Vikings, number to 199, Stephon Diggs. Jersey autograph going out to Conrad, who also had a nice break. 12 out of 199. So that was Playbook number 3. Thanks everybody for joining. We will be right back with the Jaspy's Big Winter Pool giveaway, where 30 people will have a shot at a Dynasty baseball case. I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. Name on top wins the free spot into the Jaspy's Big Winter Pool giveaway. So good luck. I'm going to go 12 times. Wow, 12 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Jeffrey B. Congratulations, Jeffrey. Very nice. Congratulations on getting your spot into the Jaspy's Big Winter Pool. So, what do we... I forgot to update it last time. So, I think we're on 18 of 30. I think so. Right? I don't know. So thanks everybody, and we'll see y'all next time.